National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County, southeastern Butler County, Warren County, until 3 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North College Hill, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Middletown, Fairfield, Mason, Lebanon, Norwood, Forest Park, Springboro, Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Loveland, Springdale, Reading, Montgomery, North College Hill, Madera, Wyoming, and Cheviot. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 4 and 5, near mile marker 8, in between mile markers 11 and 42. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 12 and 19. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 2 and 32. A tornado warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. for southeastern Preble and northern Butler counties.